everybody. I'm Melody Blue. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old here, welcome. Okay, the giveaway for the Starjoy Gold is still on when we hit 500 subscribers, which we are so close, guys. We are so close. But yeah, I did go to the doctor yesterday. I don't know anything from my blood work yet, but oh well. Let me move this. Sorry, guys. Dang. I gotta clean up my desk. I really do. I gotta clean it up. Okay, these are the Wilshin oil-based pencils. And, let's color a fall leaf. Now, you know red and green don't mix, so we're going to get there, though. So I'm just going to lightly, remember, these layer, they don't blend. They feel like they could blend, but no. I'm just going to sort of follow that shape there, but not go all the way and touch it. Make sure you do this in light layers, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this yellow, see that? And I'm going to fade in to that green. Now this will work with any leaf. If you're using wax, you can do the same, but you know they blend. These layer. I'm sorry, guys, but okay. Now how are we going to get to the red? Okay. We'll do some of this brownish color. Doesn't show up very good, but as long as we got that buffer there, that's what we gotta have. We gotta have a buffer. Can't just go from green to... And I'm gonna put a little bit of this out here. This is another color, brown. But I'm gonna put it on the outside. Now you can do the same thing with the wax, but they'll blend and these don't. Can't stress that enough. Alright, now that I got this yellow here and this brown here, I can put a little bit of red in here. No problem. It doesn't interfere with my green. We just get that orangey color that we see in leaves. So, and I'm going to be blending all this. Blending. These are, they're so easy to mistake for wax. I'm not joking, guys. That's why I keep saying blend. They don't blend. They layer. So, but if you are using wax, you guys can blend these in. Okay? You can do it in the same order. I would suggest you do it in the same order. Otherwise, you're not gonna get... You've got to have this. This and the red is gonna make the orange in the leaf. Okay? I'm gonna take this brown, and I'm just gonna keep going here. And if you go over your, just make room for your red. Now I'm coming in here and I'm layering this over the yellow. And there comes my orange color now. Now, I kind of sort of want to go out a little bit with my green now. Just a little. We don't want to interfere with our other colors, 'cause red and green make mud. Okay. That's not what we want. Just so it don't look so funky. Don't look all straight. Okay. I'm just layering away here. Gonna layer into the green. It's okay for me to layer in the green now because it's got its dominance there. It's not going anywhere. It's not gonna fade out. I'm gonna bring this color back in and I'm just kind of go around that. Because I can mix red with brown. Okay. Now, bring this back in. Now it's up to you where your brown pattern goes. I mean, it's up to you what you want it to look like. What do you want your leaf to look like? A lot of brown? A lot of red? Just don't let that red touch your green. I'm gonna go up a little higher there. Now, YouTube has been being mean to me. It's taking forever to upload. And I don't know why. And I'm not the only person having that trouble. Now, I will keep layering until I get this leaf to the desired color and depth that I want. I can go on with all these light layers forever, but I'm gonna leave y'all with this. Just as long as you guys got the idea of green, because I noticed some leaves outside where this is inside is green, the rest of it is all, orange, red, and brown. So I studied it a little bit to see how I could do this. So as long as you go from green to yellow to red and then brown, you're fine. Just don't let your red get into the green. Don't go that far. Okay, guys, so I'm going to leave it there. I just wanted to give you this quick tutorial on how to color a fall leaf. Since it's fall, I thought it was appropriate. But, you guys get the gist, right? And these are those Wilshin, $11.90 for 72. And they're good. Now, I'm not lying. They're good. I mean, they're not like Starjoy Gold good or Polychromos good, but their oil pencil feels like wax. But I was shocked because I rate my reviews partly on price and partly on how the pencil works. Y'all know how it goes. Beginner friendly. It is, but the chart is a little confusing. So, if you want it in rainbow order, you have to go down this way. Because if you go numerically, it's way off. So, I'm going to leave y'all to it. Find y'all a leaf, practice. Practice makes perfect. And I love y'all. May y'all have peace and love and happiness. I love you. Peace out. Bye.